Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Karan and today in this video we will discuss about wordmark registration. A wordmark is a category of trademark registration in India. In wordmark registration, only the letters and words can be trademarked. This clearly means that you can register the brand name for your brand. In wordmark registration, the font and style of the word are not emphasized. Instead, you need to select a unique name for your company and get it trademarked. As soon as the trademark owner receives the trademark registration, he gets the exclusive rights of using it, and no other can use the same trademark. Now let's discuss some advantages of wordmark registration. Wordmark registration has many advantages, and a few major advantages are: number one, protection of intellectual property. Trademark registration provides protection for the intellectual property of the company. Once a company registers a trademark, no other person uses the same mark. The owner of the trademark has all the rights to sue a person who uses their registered trademark in a court of law. Moreover, the registered trademark serves as the notice of information to the general public, that is, the mark has been registered, and no other person can use it without the owner's permission. Second advantage is public representation of the brand. The owner of the trademark has the right to represent his brand in front of the public on any national platform. Moreover, once the trademark is registered, the trademark authority does not allow any other person to file a similar trademark. Third one is legal remedies. The trademark owner can restrict others from using the same mark, and if someone does so, he can sue the offender and recover up to the triple damage. The owner is the only who has the exclusive rights over the trademark. Fourth advantage is flexible. Wordmark is flexible and the words or letters can be represented in any form of font or style, and there is no restriction to that. But the owner must pay proper attention to the spelling, as once the application is filed, the trademark will be registered only for the word that has been mentioned in the application. Now I am going to tell you the eligibility for wordmark registration. As understood, a wordmark is a category of trademark, and the process of registration of a wordmark is the same as that of a trademark. But the requirements for wordmark registration are different depending upon the entity. Let us discuss them one by one. Number one is an individual. A person can also obtain the wordmark registration even if he does not owe any company. He can get the trademark registered for any future event. Second is partnership firm. A firm can also be obtained the wordmark registration, but the condition is that the names of all the partners must be mentioned in the trademark application, but the partners must not be more than 10. Furthermore, in the case of any minor partner, the name of his guardian shall be mentioned. Third one is joint owners. The joint company owners can file the trademark together, and the names of the both owners must be mentioned in the trademark application. Fourth one is proprietorship firm. This firm can file a trademark application in the name of proprietor of the firm rather than filing it in the name of proprietorship firm. If you include the firm name in your application, those details will be taken separately. Fifth one is LLP, that is Limited Liability Partnership. In this case, the trademark application is filed in the name of LLP and not in the name of the partners. As the trademark belongs to the company, partners cannot be the applicants, and they have different identity separate from the company. Sixth one is trust and society. The trust and society can also register the wordmark, and the trademark application will be filed in the name of the person who is representing the society. He can be the chairman, trustee or secretary. Seventh one is Indian company. Any company, whether limited by shares, guarantee or unlimited liability, is a separate legal entity. Therefore, it can register the wordmark registered on its own name. In case of a company, the word or any other form of trademark will not be registered in the name of the promoter or director. And the last one is foreign company. Suppose a company registered in any other country wants to get a wordmark registered in India. In that case, the wordmark will only be registered on the name of the company as registered in its country of origin. Moreover, all the details such as the company's name, nature, and the country of registration shall be mentioned in the trademark application. Now let's discuss some important points to know before submitting application for wordmark registration. So before submitting the trademark application, the brand owners must choose whether to file for a wordmark or device mark registration. They must choose whether to register just the brand name or logo of the brand, or to submit distinct applications for both the brand name and the logo. Rather than just a logo, companies' brand names frequently include words and designs. To ensure their company has the widest possibility security, business owners should submit the unique trademark application for their company name and logo. However, it would be costly to submit two trademark applications for the name and the logo. Therefore, since the trademark can be represented in any way and offers wider security than a device trademark, it is preferably to file it as a wordmark. In case you have registered your logo as a trademark and later on you have to decide to change logo of your brand due to any reason, the trademark will not protect the new logo, as the protection is applicable only to the logo for which you took the trademark. Moreover, in case you took a trademark or wordmark, you can change the logo if you want, which will not affect the trademark protection, as the wordmark is for protecting the name of your brand and not the logo. So after discussing the important points, we will discuss some vital documents required for wordmark registration. Number 1 is PAN card. Second, Aadhaar card. Third is certification of incorporation. Fourth is logo. Fifth is Form TM48. So for the procedure of trademark registration in India, you need to follow some important steps that I am going to discuss. First step is trademark search. Selecting a unique name or logo for your brand is not enough. In comparison, there is a need to conduct a trademark search for your selected mark on the official website of the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. There is a search option on this website where you can search for the mark that you have selected. And the search will tell you all about the mark you have selected along with the legalities. Second step is filing trademark application. Once you are done with the trademark search and selected the name or logo that you wish to trademark, now you can proceed towards preparing the trademark application. You have an option to either file the trademark application online or offline. In case you submit the application online, you will be provided within an application that you can use for future reference. Now the third step is examination of the application. The trademark application is then verified by the examiner, who checks the trademark application and properly verifies the documents. He has the option to either accept or reject the application after proper verification and examination. Fourth step is publication and advertisement of trademark. After proper examination of the application by the examiner, the mark is published in the Trademark Journal for 4 months. In case there are no objections, the applicant is automatically granted the certificate of registration. In case if there are any objection to the application, the applicant has to submit a proper response within 30 days. And if his response is satisfactory, then he receives the certificate of registration. Now the last step is certificate of registration. Once the process of verification and objection is completed, the applicant is granted the certificate of registration by the registrar. I hope you like this video. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.